Yo, what is going on YouTube? It is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently September 23rd. I took one trade today, as you guys can see right here. It was a break-even trade. We literally edged TP1 by a couple ticks, a couple points, and it eventually ran. If I never trailed my stop and kept my original stop to where it was above this SMC right here, it never would have hit stop loss, and it dumped for 168 points. There's no way I would have held it all the way through this, but still got stuck in the chop. Edge TP1 by a literal tick. As you guys can see, my TP1, I typically put a point below or a point above or below that key level, and the one day I didn't, it gets edged. But it's all good though. Today was a very choppy day, honestly. There wasn't much to look for. There was a 15-minute fair value gap that we eventually tapped into that I wanted to see us sell off because market open, we were bearish. 30-minute, we got a 30-minute market structure shift. Everything was just saying we were going to go down here after market open. So all I wanted was a rebalance to some sort of fair value gap and find an entry. So we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. There's also a 30-minute fair value gap there. We put in the SMT at these highs right here. After that, I just wanted to see some sort of inversion to the downside. We got a clean 1 minute inversion here. I did not enter right off this inversion. I wanted a rebalance to some sort of fair value gap. We got a rebalance to a 2-minute fair value gap, as you guys can see right here. Let me zoom in. Right here, we got a clean 2-minute tap, entered there. This rebalance was just a rebalance up higher into premium to fill this 1 minute, and then this could have been another entry right here off this 1 minute inversion. Right here could have been another entry, stops above here, but this wouldn't have played out either. It would have been edged again. But honestly, not the worst trade, and I think it was the best trade in this market condition, but it just did not deliver, and then we eventually delivered, and there was no real setup over here. A lot of people were looking for longs out of here, but there was literally nothing we came to. We never swept any sort of liquidity. We never even tapped into the hourly order block. So I definitely wanted to see lower still. There was no reason for us to go higher today. If we wanted to go higher, we would have displaced through this 15 very easily. But as soon as we tapped in that 50, bam, right sell off, inverse of 1 minute. Clear that we're going to go down here. And it's just unfortunate that went break even as soon as we got this, came down a little, pushed up, broke below this low, went break even, bam, stopped at a break even. And if I kept my original stop, it would have ran, but it's all good, man. It happens. So today we are, like I said, break even. I said that so many times. So the accounts are still in a great spot. Yesterday I did not take a trade. There was no setup for me, so just need to lock in. My accounts are still looking very good right here, as you guys can see. All my accounts, 60 days on each account. 60, 50, 50, 40, 29, 29, 15, 11. So I'm staying very patient, just not blowing these accounts, focused on good risk management, and that's all that matters. Consistency over quick profits is the way I think about it. And over time, the payouts are going to come. But this top account's actually out of payout, and I can request a payout, but I'm probably going to request a payout Friday. My goal is to get these 3 accounts to 2,600 before I request a payout, so I need to make 400 more on this one, about 400 more on this one, and about 500 more on this one, and I could request a 500, 500, 500, and then probably like 1,000 payout on this account. So that's my goal by Friday. But we have 3 more days, so hopefully we get some good price action tomorrow, maybe Thursday, maybe Friday, but it's all good that we took a break-even trade today. Can't stress it. It happens. This market condition was pretty terrible, honestly. We sold off at 9:30, and then we literally chopped from 9:48 all the way till we got that huge displacement. Literally like 2.5 hours of straight chop right here, as you guys can see. And then we just dumped out of nowhere. But it is what it is. That's the market for you. But that's going to be it for this trade recap. Make sure you like and subscribe. Join the Discord down below and use code ZAC for 80% off all accounts with Apex. And I will see you guys tomorrow if I take a trade. Peace out, y'all.